everyone. Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a nice wall decor that I'm doing for you guys, and it's gonna have mostly items from the Dollar Tree, and I think 2 items, one from BB Craft and one from Totally Dazzled. Yeah, so it's our dollar store and more DIY. Yes. So if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so become part of the Glamster team. And if you like today's DIY, give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. If you give me a thumbs up, yeah. And to my oldies and goodies, welcome back, my Glamsters. Thank you for clicking on today to see another DIY that I have to share with you guys. So let's get into this quick, easy, and glam wall decor idea that I have to share with you guys. Oh yes, don't forget, grab your tea/coffee and maybe a donut too, or a piece of cake if you like, and let's get started on today's DIY. Alright everyone, I have these 3 pieces that I cut out from the foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. 3 pieces here. And now I'm going to take the 2 smaller pieces and we're going to glue them to the centerpiece. The center Bristol board, I just use the mirrors to measure them out. I'm using 3 mirrors, so I did 3 mirrors along the Bristol board, and then that's what I cut out. And then the 2 side ones, I just made them a little smaller than the center one. And like I said, we're using some hot glue and we're gluing the 2 pieces, one a little above and the next one a little below. That's how I want the piece to look, not even, you know, so we're doing one above, one below. And here is the finished look. So now we're just gonna add our mirrors. Like I told you, I took the 3 mirrors and that's how I cut out the middle Bristol board. Not Bristol board, foam board. I'm so sorry. So like I'm doing, we're laying the mirrors down and I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue the mirrors to the board. So now we have this silver chain here that I got from BB Craft. I'll be using a piece of that to add to our mirrors in the center, and I'll be using some E6000, and I cut the strips already to the length of the mirror, so we're just going to place them down where the 3 mirrors join to hide this little groove that's there, make it look more appealing. And now I'll be adding some of this bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled. And I cut it into long strips. That's why I like using the roll that I buy from Totally Dazzled. And you know, Dollar Tree has these this bling wrap also in smaller portions, but you know, you can cut it out and use it if that's what you choose. So like I told you, I had 2 items that were not Dollar Tree items. So the first one was the chain I have in the middle, and now this wrap here from Totally Dazzled. And I'm going to be placing it going right around the mirrors. Now I have the pretty glitter sticks from the Dollar Tree and I cut them up cut the stick pieces off so they're smaller portions, yeah. And then we are just gonna place them all over the board. But first I'll be placing them down, getting our pattern, and I'll be using some hot glue and gluing everything to the board. So I'm just getting a nice pattern, and I'll be doing it on both sides of the mirror. And now that we got our pattern down, I'll just be using some hot glue and gluing each of our pieces to the foam board. Okay, now I have these clear gems that we get from the Dollar Tree, and we'll just be placing them down on our decor all over. Now I thought my camera was filming, but it wasn't, so I had to start all over. That's why I had some pieces on the board already. But as you can see, we're just going to place them everywhere where we want to, and then after that we'll use some hot glue and glue them down. And then I'll be adding the gem to the other side of our Glam mirror and glue them down also. And here is our Glam mirror wall decor, all finished. I think it looks very nice. It was a nice and easy Glam mirrored wall decor. Very easy to do, yeah, you saw how it was. It was very fast and quick, and using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks glam and nice. The beads and the glitter sticks look lovely together. And I did go around and put the silver bling wrap going around the white foam boards on the outside, just like I did with the middle piece with the mirrors on it, all the way around. And here's our decor up on the wall. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's an easy and fast glam wall decor for your home to spruce it up a bit. Nice for the Christmas season or any time of year. It's a lovely piece of wall art. And I like it all by itself, and I think it would look very nice also with another one. Another piece with it side by side. Oh, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now I placed it here in my living room on the wall, but this is not where it's staying. I made this lovely piece of wall decor for my dad. Yes, I did, because I'm helping fix up his house, and he has a wall that's bare, so I said let me make something nice for him. So this is what I came up with, and it's gonna look lovely in his space. I do have a vlog channel called Petal's Corner, and if you'd like to see what I'm doing over at my dad's house, I'll leave the link below, and you guys, or I'll leave the link up above. I'll leave the card right above here, so you guys can click on it and go over and see the little things that I'm doing at my dad's house. And I show you my everyday up and down on my vlog channel. Hopefully you'll give it go over there and have a view. And subscribe, yes, subscribe and follow me over there on my vlog channel too. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's mirrored wall decor. Yes, it was an easy and fun DIY to do. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I hope you will hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell, and so you'll become part of the Glamster team. And I'd like to thank everyone so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you all today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. That I've made a big mistake, choosing material things over you. Yeah.
me, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't.